The short film, The Undercover CEO, is about a CEO named Lucas who pretends to be a new employee to see how people in his company really work. He notices that there are problems with teamwork and leadership. Rachel and Clara, the two team leaders, have different strengths but don't get along, and the manager, Andrew, is too harsh, making everyone stressed. In the end, Lucas reveals that he is the CEO and points out the issues in the workplace. He helps the teams understand that they need to work together instead of competing. After that, the teams improve and the office becomes a better place to work. The story shows how important good leadership and teamwork are.
We need to stay focused. The deadline is tight and every minute counts.
Come on, Rachel. A little break for her. Right, Gabriel?
I think we'll just stick to the schedule.
Let's hear your ideas. The more creative, the better.
We can be creative, but we need to stick to a plan. We're running out of time.
Relax, Dave. Deadlines are like speed bumps. Just slow down and cross over them.
We won't get anywhere if we don't focus. We're behind schedule. Gabriel, can you handle the data reports? Jack, stick to the presentation slides. Lucas, can you help Jack finalize the slide? We need them perfect for the meeting.
Got it. I have Jack to organize them.
Thanks, Lucas. I've been struggling to get this part right.
Let's break it down. Start with the key points and make sure the slides highlights them. Less text for visuals. It'll make a bigger impact. Thanks, Lucas. I think this will help next.
Alright, good everyone, focus. We're behind, but we can make up the time if we stay on task. What if we try more about the coach? It could really set us apart. I like that idea. We need some extra time though.
We don't have extra time. We're behind.
You guys act like it's the end of the world. We can handle it.
We're not going anywhere if we keep going back and forth. We need to focus on what's doable right now. Not what would be nice if we had more time.
I get that, Daniel. But if we just play it safe, we'll never stand out.
I'm with Clara, but I don't want to waste time. We need a plan we can execute quickly.
Oh, I forgot my wallet. Let me go grab it, please. We make a great team, don't we? I couldn't have done this without you. Same here. You always bring so much creativity.
Rachel, promoting you to senior quality coordinator. Will be taking more responsibility.
Thank you, sir. I won't let you down.
I thought I was next. Clara, I didn't think it would be you. We've always worked side by side. Why did they choose you over me?
Clara, it's not like that. I never expected this. I still want to work with you. You know that? And you're still my friend.
It doesn't matter now. I guess I'm just not good enough. And friend? Yeah, not anymore.
We're going to get this car. Come on, Gabriel. Just one more round of questions.
I don't know, Jack. We've been at this all day.
Focus on the team. We need precision, not distractions.
practice, we barely have time to breathe.
We should be focusing on sticking to the core content and tightening it up.
Relax, Daniel. We've got this. A little faith in the third. What is it? Are you all just talking? Or are you actually working? Lara, I think you straight. But deadlines, we're wasting time with bold ideas.
We're brainstorming, sir. If we push out something average, it won't stand out.
Really? It's what you're going to get if you keep playing around. Your creativity doesn't matter if you can meet expectations.
Enough, sir. We're working on it. We'll get there.
Don't make jokes and not live for games. Jack, I see you goofing off. Gabriel, you still talking about the work? Get it together. Rachel, I expect more from you. See you project already. We've never been stopped off. Come on, sir, we just need to focus and push through. Hindi sa ating natin niya, focus. You all need to work harder, faster. And you, what are you doing? You guys, stay around. You better pull your weight if you go to stay.
I'm observing, sir. I think the work environment could use some more improvement.
Serving, huh? You're not here to tell me how to do my job, are you?
Not at all, sir. I'm just suggesting that sometimes pressure hurt more than it helps.
You're just a newbie. What do you know about leadership?
I know that when people are afraid to fail, they can succeed.
Whatever. Just don't get me. Hey everyone, let's see if either of you managed to impress me today.
Good morning, everyone. We're tackling office communication. Our goal is to centralize updates in one easy-to-access hub to streaming our workflow. This will reduce delays and ensure everyone's on the same page.
A central hub sounds promising, but we need to consider how teams will actually integrate it into their daily routines.
Sir, we'll incorporate tools like Slack and email that everybody already uses to make it easier.
The key is to reduce confusion by having all project information in one place, so we don't have to waste time looking for updates.
What's the best thing? It's just a communication. I thought you were aiming at something more innovative.
Sir, it's simple but effective.
Simple? Sure. You this is your project already. And this is your team. Are you telling me this is your best?
Good morning, everyone. We're focusing on task management. Our idea is to share task lists with updates in real time. Everyone can see the responsibilities and automatic reminders will keep us on track.
The idea is simple. Tasks are sorted by priority and deadline, so we don't waste time wondering who's responsible for what.
And it's all about simplicity. No complex tools. Just a straightforward list to keep us focused.
The goal is to reduce confusion and ensure tasks are completed on time. We need to make sure nothing falls through the cracks.
Shared task list? Okay, Dave. You're not impressing anyone with this. Enough!
I'm not just a team member, I'm the CEO. I've been observing, not just the work, but the atmosphere in this company. You all have immense talent, but the constant pressure and the ineffective leadership are holding you back. You're not failing because of your abilities. You're failing because of the way you led is stifling your potential. Andrew, your approach has caused more harm than good. You'll be sent for leadership training immediately. You've been undermining your team, and that ends now.
I didn't mean.
Enough, Andrew. You will receive the training you need. And you'll understand that a good leader isn't someone who rules by fear, but someone who nurtures and guides.
Rachel, Lara, both need to learn how to work together, not against each other. The competition between you won't help this company grow. It will only divide. This company thrives when we collaborate, not when we compete with each other. Now, meeting.
Of course, Clara. I've been thinking about everything. About how I reacted and how we let this competition get between us.
I know. I shouldn't have let things spiral like that. I should have been more supportive of her.
I guess I was so caught up in wanting more that I couldn't see what we had. We were a great team. I was the one who lost sight of that.
Not the only one who lost their way. I was so focused